The 6 answer choices in 2 blank questions can be a bit overwhelming, as in all 9 combinations are possible. However, please don't worry. If used well, the high number of answer choices can actually help us, because the elimination or selection of answer choice for one blank very often helps in elimination or selection of answer choices for the other blank, because certain correct or incorrect answer choices can only work together. Let's look at this simple example. Here are the answer choices. Imagine very prosperous. The town saw aristocratic. Strangers would make sense. So prosperous can work with aristocratic. If one is selected, the other selects itself. If one is rejected, the other rejects itself. Similarly, isolated can work with only very few, and famous would work with a great many. Here we have a sense of depravity in this word even pass. That means the message is not very positive. Choices such as famous must be eliminated, and if famous gets eliminated, a great many eliminates itself. Similarly, prosperous gets eliminated, and correspondingly, aristocratic eliminates itself. Isolated gets selected, and therefore, correspondingly, very few selects itself. Very isolated, the town saw very few strangers even pass through it. So I hope the concept is absolutely clear. Let's take a GRE-like example now. Here is the question along with the answer choices, and here is the correct approach for solving these questions. Try to use the answer choices to your advantage. Please pause the video and solve this. Now imagine conformable in warm climates. The Siberian husky has ethically been exported would make sense. So these two answer choices work together. If one is selected, the other has a very high chance of selecting itself. If one is rejected, the other likely rejects itself. Similarly, unsuited to warm climates, the Siberian husky has nonetheless been exported makes sense. So once again, these two answer choices work together. Similarly, unconcerned by warm climates, nonchalantly exported would work together. That you will have 3 such pairs working together is unlikely on the test. Here, since we are trying to teach this concept, we came up with 3 such pairs. Now let's read the sentence carefully and see which of these pairs can work. See, the animal rights and welfare activists have been irked, which means irritated. Therefore, it's a negative message here. Siberian husky must be unsuited to warm climates. Therefore, this answer choice is correct, and if this choice is correct, the corresponding choice here selects itself. The positive answer choice gets eliminated, and if conformable in is eliminated, the corresponding answer choice ethically gets eliminated. Unconcerned by gets eliminated, and the corresponding answer choice here gets eliminated. This slide was not so much about getting the question correct, it was about using the answer choices to our advantage. I hope you got the concept. Please apply this approach going forward and use the high number of answer choices in 2 blank and 3 blank questions to your advantage. Thanks for watching.